Three, two, one, action.
Tryna get my money up, underlay, and I got the juice up, minute made. Niggas been sippin' on haterade, but I don't really fuck with y'all anyway. Counting up the cash and we celebrate, then we light up the dank and we levitate. Your girlfriend saying we should get a table, cause she don't really fuck with y'all anyway. Tryna get my money up.
Good morning, good evening, Sanbonani. Welcome back to it. It's another episode of your favorites, the House of Pablo, back at it with another episode now. This is a Valentine's special, and in today's episode, I have special guests, SFB. They'll introduce themselves.
Kateo on Instagram, Kateo_Alexander.
Yo, what up, everybody? I'm really down dash 99.
Down there.
Dash on the ground.
I love it.
It's nice to have you guys here
Yeah,
again.
it's good to be back. It's been
like
a minute
a-
since we did a video, dog.
It's good
It's
to be
been
back
a
on
minute.
the channel.
Yeah, so you can catch SFB. I'll link the YouTube channel down in the description and the Instagrams as well. So today's episode, we are talking about how to make Valentine's Day special. So what ideas you can tackle for Valentine's Day ideas.
It's the
gifts,
season of love.
It's the season of love. It's that time of the year for your pocket. As a man, yeah.
tough.
So let's get right into it.
Money is just a mental construct, guys. Love
It's
is
not.
forever.
No,
I keep telling you guys, love is forever.
Love is forever, but money is not just a mental construct.
It's just a mental
There you're
construct.
wilding.
Okay, so gents,
Okay.
Valentine's is coming around.
Valentine's
Where do we even
come.
start? Where do we even start?
How do you take care of the special
You wanna
ones?
do gifts, date ideas? Like what do you guys,
Okay,
what do you guys
let me
want to
let me
start
say this first before we go in. The important thing is to know your person.
with?
I think that's the most crucial thing. If your person is a material person, obviously the flashier the gift, the better for them. Like
Yeah.
the more extravagant, the more lavish.
Don't
it
even
is.
take off the receipt so she can see
No,
exactly
100%.
how much rands you love her.
Dog, and make it a series. Like if you get the funds, start on the 1st of February. Will you be my Valentine's? Spread out rose petals on the bed, and then the next day do bouquets filled in her office. Next
Hey, you're doing
day,
an experience. Yeah.
that's if you got the funds, dog. But
Yeah.
also now
Yeah.
that's for the material girlfriend. Now for the
Okay, yeah.
sentimental girlfriend, this is where your job starts way
Now
before
that's
Valentine's.
tricky though.
That's where your job starts way before Valentine's. You need to listen.
What's
to
this?
her.
The sentimental oak.
For the sentimental
Yeah.
girl. You need to
Yeah.
listen to your girlfriend. You need to understand her. You need to know what is that gift that she'll never see coming.
Yeah.
And when she gets it, like,
Sometimes a
You don't
gift
mean a
just
lot.
needs to
But like
reflect
sometimes
effort.
you know they always just a lot of girls just like over when they see that something special is coming around, you'll start hearing some things. They'll post one or two things here and there. Sometimes you just gotta realize and pay
Through the
attention
hints.
with you. Okay, this is
Yeah.
actually her hinting at this is what she wants.
yeah.
You know what I mean? So sometimes it's not as difficult as like, no, I have to now really like do a lot. Sometimes you just have to pick up on things. It's that simple because she will give you the answer sometimes.
Yeah, she will. But for me, man, I like to make it more special in terms of like, I'll on purpose I'll ignore the things that my girlfriend is hinting now, and I'll
Yeah.
go back to the thing
It
that
is a long,
long time like that she mentioned, but in passing that like something
Do you
she
keep a list?
nah dog. But I think that's such a good idea. Like you need to start taking notes.
I think actually notes could actually be something that's
Yeah, like when
beneficial
she
for a lot of
name drops
people.
something, you just like
Just
put
write
in
it down in
notes
your
and then-
notepad.
and then you keep it moving. And then when birthdays and
Stuff like that, you have a
Study for
thing to
Valentine's
read.
Day. dog.
not just Valentine's Day.
No,
that's
it's
what
just
works.
for
Yeah.
everything, dog. Birthdays, Valentine's Day, anniversaries.
shebang,
Then you
dog.
can really just go have a list of things that you can refer to and be like, oh, kind of actually I could have done this. You get what
Now,
I mean?
now you don't have to like scramble the last week and be
Yeah.
like, shit, what am I gonna do?
Yo, you give me a lot to think about. I need money, dog, so I can like just
Thank
bypass.
you. I
Was it?
need
Did you not
money.
say
So I
that
can just
money is a-
bypass that dumb
I know
fucking.
money is a
Money is a-
mental
it is
construct.
It is a mental construct. I
apparently.
just want to throw money at it and let it, simmer.
But-
Tell that, okay. Where's it coming from, dog?
You mentally, you manifest it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Let's go back.
now we're talking like date ideas. So I think Valentine's is the time where you don't just like going to the movies doesn't cut it, or just going to a plain
It can
restaurant.
cut it if you have the
If
whole
you're-
theater to
yeah.
yourself.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And it's IMAX on those couches, and then you
Where you
ruin
guys are
public
lying
property.
back.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but the basic what we're saying is like ordinary won't cut it on Valentine's
Yeah.
Day. Like just
Restaurant thingy, I feel like cuts it to an extent, but you can't keep doing it. The thing is, I feel like restaurants and stuff are like overdone by people that they sort of they start to lose their thing.
Here's the thing, like honestly, Valentine's looks just like a pissing contest for women.
Yep.
So you know, like a dick measuring contest. Like, look
Yep.
how many flowers I got,
Yeah.
as opposed to your shitty ass teddy bear.
but social media is the entire thing is about social. The entire day is
Onyaga who
basically driven by
posts
social
she
media.
wants to post.
Yeah.
If there's one thing
So-
we can get out of, she wants
So even if
to post.
whatever you do, you sort of have like you're forced in a position where you have to do over the top.
Yeah, and
But now my question is, does it really matter knowing your girl, or can I just splurge out on a bunch of roses and flowers and buy?
Sometimes the thing is, sometimes man,
Champagne
I have a
in a
hard time
hotel
with it
room.
because I'm like, I don't want to just do it simple. If I'm gonna do something, I want to do it properly and do it big.
But does it matter who the person is, or can I just do something
No.
cliche?
That's
No,
a-
but every year,
no, but you can
just
always
like
just get more creative.
that's what I'm. No, not more creative.
And you can just spend more money.
Just like
That's all.
GDP is supposed to constant growth.
Yeah.
Every year you spend more money.
More money, more things,
Yeah.
more experiences.
Nah, I hear what you're saying though. You gotta.
yeah, like it's
I would-
gonna get to a point where it loses its.
I always thought that you had to like. I always thought like. You have to, if you know the person. But the problem is this thing of. I guess this thing of posting will change because you might know your person something that makes her really happy,
Yeah.
but she needs to be happier than her friends. Does that make sense?
What I want to ask is like, okay, when your girlfriend posts the 365 roses on Instagram, is she happy, or is she like happy to put it on Instagram?
Instagram.
She's
for
happy
everyone
to make these bitches know.
Gucci, this is what
Yeah.
my guy did for
She's
me.
happy to make these bitches know. You give her the ability to be braggadocious.
Yeah,
Yep.
You dig? But that's not everybody though.
exactly. That's why it's important to know your person.
You
Like
need
if
to
your
know your
person is
person.
not that kind of.
And if you're an Instagram junkie and a Twitter junkie, let me not say junkie, but if your people is one of those people, then you do have to do something like that.
Yeah.
And then maybe you do another thing just for her. I don't know, because not everybody is a 50K following.
Exactly.
Yeah, you know, not
Yeah,
everybody's an
sentiment.
Who wants
influencer.
to post
Yeah.
their lives and
Yeah.
all of that stuff. That's true.
But there's nothing wrong with letting your girl let these bitches know.
Okay, for
There's
me,
nothing
it's
wrong.
Valentine's Day. Let's splurge out for Instagram content,
You
and then
sort of gotta buy
birthday,
your girl a car, dog.
no 100%, and an island
And
the
an
next
island,
year.
and an island the next
Yeah.
year.
Ah,
Exactly.
no, there's always stuff you can buy. Dog.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Ah, no.
Yeah,
There's
but
always stuff you can buy.
there's a point where now sentiments are gonna come into play as well. Okay,
Yeah, but
Even
I feel
in
like
the-
even if you do buy whatever you buy, sometimes it will do better for you. Even if you buy those things, add a sentimental thing to whatever
Yeah,
you're
that's
splurging
sentimental is where you compensate for not having money.
exactly.
on. That's true. That's true. So if you're broke, you do have to.
Are we
somewhat
really
get
saying that?
sentimental.
Oh, that's
But no, but also
that's
dog,
dark. Are we really
No. But
gonna say
also-
that?
No, they definitely.
But like, what is
Yeah.
Let's keep it back.
what
Like,
is
So what we're saying is the only reason to be sentimental is because you're broke.
Yeah, dog. Like, she doesn't want
rich
that
people?
portrait.
Like I think there's not
She
a lot of
doesn't
people
want
with
that-
money who are sentimental. There's not a lot of people with money that are sentimental, and a lot of girls know this guy has money, so they probably don't even want a lot of those sentiments. But
So-
not to say I'm speaking for every
So
heart.
cooking for
I'm
your
not
hand
speaking
doesn't
every
count
heart.
for nothing.
Yeah.
She'll recognize it because you're broke and she loves you now. But if you have the money, she wants that gourmet 5-star restaurant experience.
Chef,
What you
You
see?
once
see-
you fly out that ship.
You see,
Wow, that is dark, guys. What
maybe
the
she
hell
might
you guys-
maybe she might understand because she knows you don't have money yet.
That's what I'm saying. So the only reason to actually take the time to learn your girl is because you're a broke man.
And you have the time.
Yeah,
And
but,
you have the-
but think about
you
it.
have the time because you're a
People
broke
with
man.
money don't have time for a lot of that stuff.
I beg to,
So
I beg
they,
to
the,
differ.
no. The thing is, like, not to say all of them. The thing is, I'm also like sort of a little bit generalizing. I'm generalizing a little bit.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to say like, Other people with money,
Oh, this is a
they
good
have the
character.
money, so they splurge. They just like they will throw the money at whatever it is because the girl said they want it. So they're like, here you go. It doesn't really matter how much time I take to learn the person or whatever because they will tell me she wants ABC.
There's no
and
way.
here's my card. Go do
There's
whatever you
no
gotta
way
do.
that's true, bro. I refuse to believe.
Okay, dog. Okay, but let's bring it back now to the average Joe.
Yes.
Now, average Joe is struggling now. He's struggling. He's 22. He's
So the young
unemployed,
broke
he's
man
a
has to
student.
learn the chick.
Young broke man has to learn the chick, but okay, young broke man has saved up. He saved up the beginning of the month. He knew it's coming, right?
Some coins.
Now that's where sentiment comes with the splurging. Now you need to know your person in terms of like, okay, my girl, okay, I can drop this bag on these roses now. But if I bought her Jordan 1s,
she would be
she
more
would
happy.
appreciate
like
it more.
more than
So that's where that knowing
knowing
your
the
girl
girl,
and
what kind of gift she
still
wants.
dropping a bag, there must be a balance to some degree.
But we can't avoid the fact that
it
money
takes
must
it
be
over the
spent.
top.
Money
It takes it over the
speaks.
top.
Money
Money
speaks.
talks
Money
very
talks,
loudly. Very loudly.
Nah, but no, that's standard. Okay, so if we can like sort of wrap it up in terms of getting a gift, it's vital to know your girl.
It is
Yes.
vital to
Know
Yes.
what kind of stuff she likes for the date.
Mhm.
If she's a person who likes outdoor, indoor,
Yeah.
she likes public, private,
Exactly.
does she like a crowd?
Yeah.
What will make her happy and feel comfortable and enjoy?
Yeah.
And for the gift, it's the same type of thing. Is
You
she
need to put in the same. Yeah.
She bought the
if it's
clothes,
got some
she bought the
sentimental
jewelry.
value to it, it'll be appreciated way more than if it's just a random.
Because I was
gift.
about to say what you guys were saying. That means when I have money, I can just cut the middleman and give the chick money.
No.
Well, not in
And
that
keep it
sense.
moving.
No.
No, but the thing is, no. What I was trying to say is, a lot of the time, like
Just
the
throw
girl
100K
knows-
at her.
The girl knows what she wants,
So I can just give
She
her
knows what
100K
she
and then she'll
wants.
do what she's going to
and
do.
it's like, okay, here's the money. Now go get all those things that you want.
But you still have to get her something.
Yeah. Or if you do it in another way, then it's she will tell you what she wants, and all you gotta do is just go buy whatever the hell it is.
I don't think that's true.
Yeah, I don't think that's true.
I don't think that's true.
Eamon, how many times does your girlfriend put like hints and
People
stuff
on-
like?
people
But
on
it's
House
also
of Pablo.
different in the sense that people do just sometimes
People on House of
put it
Pablo.
out there and make it simple.
In
for
10
you
years'
to know
time-
what they want.
In 10 years' time, when Katlo is rich, it will be this time, and I'll tell Katlo, just give your chick 100,000 for Valentine's Day
But I won't
and
do
nothing
that.
else.
But I
And
won't
she's
do that.
supposed to be happy. That's what you say.
No, I said she will tell you what she wants.
Okay.
And you just have to go.
But
out
why don't we just
and
cut the
get
middle?
those things.
Why don't we just cut the middleman and give her the money to get what she wants?
No,
But
because
you
then
give her money
it'll
on
it'll
every
sort of
other
look
day,
like it's
oh.
not coming from you, and you can give your
Oh.
hand money
Any other day. So on Valentine's
But
Day,
at that time, you'll take the time to actually go
Yeah,
get
give your
those
hands
stuff
money on
yourself.
any other day.
No, I don't. Whoa, wait a
but I
minute.
splurge on my hand.
Wait a
bro.
minute.
I just be
There's
like,
difference
girlfriend
between-
allowance.
Yeah.
Yes.
Orena.
Very envy.
When I was with Jella,
Wait, dog. Wait a minute.
when I was
You are a
sorry,
student
leave
who
me
gives
alone.
an allowance.
you also need to dial our girlfriend allowance, though. But now Jella,
No.
you need to dial our girlfriend allowance.
Not while I'm not working.
Okay.
Can I be honest with you? I think
Guys,
I have.
money.
I think I have it in me where I'm
Like,
like,
poverty
you know
is
what?
temporary,
If my
dog.
girlfriend ever asks me for real for a girlfriend allowance, I'm really going to just look at her.
Guys, like Kata, what you don't get, like poverty is temporary, dog.
And I can have as much
It's a
money as I
mind
want.
state.
It's a mind state. La waila. She will tell me I want a girlfriend allowance and I'll look at her. I will really just look at her.
And you're saying this on camera.
Yes,
With your chest.
I am saying this
With
with,
your
my
chest.
chest.
With your whole chest.
To all
You're
my
not even
kids.
gonna try and lie
we
about
can
it.
we can go buy. If I have money, we can go buy all sorts of things, whatever. If you come to me and you tell me I must give you a girlfriend allowance, means I'm going.
Come on, 20K a week, dog.
Yeah.
That's not that deep.
20, 100,
100,
dog.
100 a week.
100K a week, dog.
Okay, don't ask me to give you an allowance. We can go spend the money if I have it. We can go spend on whatever things we decide to do. But I'm not going to then give you a girlfriend allowance.
You're a difficult man.
And I will give her money when I feel like it. But I'm not going to give her a girlfriend allowance.
Okay, let's get back to
Number
the
one is not
episode.
my wife.
Let's get back to the episode.
I'll give my wife an
Oh my
allowance. I'm going to give my
That's
girlfriend
what.
an
That's what.
allowance.
After
Dudes are
this
gonna tell you
thing
go
is,
when
I
they're
think
hiring.
it's
Yeah.
simple.
Okay, that's what dudes are gonna tell you go when they're not when they're hiring.
It's fine.
Kakeo.
You need to give a girlfriend allowance.
It's cool.
Stop whining.
It's cool.
And like even when the
No, but
pocket
the thing
like
is,
is not
if she feels like that's what she values the most, then
like even when the pocket's not standing
Not
right,
for you.
you must call.
no. If she feels like that's what she values the most, then she's not for me.
When the pocket's not standing right, you,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
must feel free to call the boys and say, "Yo, boys, I need you guys to front me. I need to pay installment for this. I need you guys to front
Listen
me.
to that.
Otherwise, I'm gonna end up having to pay arrears." Yeah, dog,
Nah.
we're gonna start a GoFundMe account for you, dog.
Yeah?
We're gonna start a GoFundMe account for you,
For?
because you need to do the allowance.
For
thing.
girlfriend allowance.
Your boy told you.
Dog, the link to Katlo's GoFund is down below.
Yeah, link to the GoFund.
As a link.
Is Valentine's Day like a no boundaries sort of event, or is there a limit to the age of your relationship?
Is it?
Like, can you do too much on Valentine's Day? You know the saying, you're doing too much.
Nah,
Can
I
you do
don't
too
think
much
so.
on Valentine's Day?
I don't think so.
I think the bigger the better. That's the whole
3
concept
months,
of-
Yeah.
there's no
whether
such
you've
thing
been
as
in a
you
relationship
reaching,
for a
yeah.
year or two, or
But
it's
if you're
2
gonna use
months.
that mentality, I'd like to say about time. Like time is, it's a mental construct. Like it's
Why, dog?
no genuinely, dog. Like
Yo, to you guys, everything is a mental
Sure.
construct.
That's the truth.
society tells you these things, Kat, when you believe.
Oh, wait.
Nah,
and
but
you
they
put
don't
that
like
in-
show. Okay, like a first date at a 5-star restaurant in a suit and tie. You doing too much?
No,
Are you not doing too much?
no. The bigger the better. That's the whole concept.
Maybe it's
of
just because I
Valentine's
scare
Day.
easy, dog.
No, but in terms of time, like I think it's you will know.
Mm.
Like you'll know
Mm.
how invested you are in that relationship, how far you want the relationship.
Like what I'm
go.
trying to say, like, you know how we spoke about, like, what if a young man does afford a vacation?
Nah, go for
Is
it.
Then
Is
go
it
do
too
your
early?
vacation.
No.
Nothing wrong.
Thursday, come back
Come back Sunday.
Sunday, dog.
Dog, go do your vacation, dog. Whether you've been together for 6 months, 6 years,
6 days.
do your vacation if you
There's
feel
no
like
doing
you
too
can
much.
do. If you want to do a vacation, dog, do it. No, that's
Yeah.
that's standard. There's really no limits to what you can do if you feel like it's something like you can do and something you want to do. Do it. It's not a problem.
So what do you guys tell your side girls when you can't chill with them on the 14th? And like, you know what, like, so thank you very much for watching
Oh, what's
this
that
very
down?
important
No,
video.
what's that?
It was nice to have you guys.
Wow.
But that's a valid question. Like, I think maybe the gents would like
we
to
should
know.
we should really ask you guys with side chicks. Like,
Yeah.
what do you,
How
how do
do
you guys balance things?
when you
Do
can't
guys
chill with them on the
propose?
14th.
Like, what do you do? Do you see one during
As
the
a
day,
single
one in the
man, do you want to
evening?
give us your perspective?
What do you do on Valentine's Day, bro?
Oh, you mean I play PlayStation, dog? Grand Theft Auto normally has a special event.
So,
I hear you. You hit the strip joint on GTA.
Yeah, but you know, like, I feel like if you were a single man, I mean, like, if you were not a single man, if you were a man who is currently, how do we say this, overseeing 2 projects, and it happens that the 14th you're occupied, I feel like you should fake a fight.
What?
Like, hypothetically, I feel like that's the only way out of getting out of the situation. Because how are you going to explain to the one girl that you can't see on the 14th? But you know what, just to wrap it up, you guys must enjoy Valentine's
Yo,
Day.
dog, you're creative, dog.
The month of
You're
now.
really creative, dog. Wow. But yeah, anyway,
We can
I
also
hope you
give
guys have
ladies,
an amazing Valentine's
ladies,
Day.
what do you guys tell your men when you can't chill with them on the 14th?
when you want to go see your side bite,
When you want to go see,
comment down below.
like, he thinks he's the main one, can't he?
Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for
Yeah.
more content like this. Don't forget to press the notification bell also, so you know every time I drop. Yeah.
You guys
See
must
you guys
enjoy
next time.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah, I
man.
hope you guys have an amazing one with your people.
Yeah. And if you're out there without a Valentine, feel free to hit me up, dog. I am accepting flowers, roses preferably, but I will do.
Cash preferred.
Cash.
I don't want cash, dog. I want
You're
personal.
sentimental.
Yeah, you know. I like Hot Wheels toys. If you're doing
100%.
this.
100%.
I'll see you guys next
For the
week,
young man.
Thursday, on the House of Pablo. Stay tuned. Cheers.
Peace.